They say it's the jewel of the Defence Force's possessions. Now immaculately restored, Slievenamon was driven to the Curragh this afternoon, looking as good as it did over 90 years ago. Slievenamon, a Rolls-Royce armoured car, was in the four-vehicle convoy when General Michael Collins was ambushed at Slievenamon, West Cork, during the Civil War in 1922.
It is a matter of tragic irony that Collins, who refused to take shelter in the Slievenamon, was evacuated from the ambush site in this very car, having been mortally wounded moments earlier.
Slievenamon was used by the Defence Forces until after the emergency in the 1940s. It was then saved from the scrap heap. 3 generations of one military family have helped to maintain it.
Through the passage of time, it had deteriorated a bit because of the fact that there were no spares available, like the exhaust system and the tyres and the distributor. There was no spares available, so we kept running through the best we could.
For such an important part of our history, it was essential that we did everything in our power to maintain it and so that it will survive for the future generations.
Slievenamon has a bright future and will be an important participant in the centenary celebrations of the Easter Rising in 2016. Joe O'Brien, RTE News, the Curragh.